Many people are contacting us regarding selling your piece of property real estate in Germany. And of course, they always ask me about the right purchase price. In this video, I tell you what's the biggest mistake you can do as a seller when deciding on the right purchase price. So first of all, the biggest mistake when selling a real estate always done before you market the piece of real estate, because usually you as a private seller, or if you speak to not a so professional agent, have made a huge mistake because you have the wrong purchase price, or at least asking price. How come? Many agents are telling you whatever you want to wish to hear, that the purchase price is much higher, the real estate market is great, just because I want to win your contract. And what happens afterwards is like a little sausage. In German, you say sausage cutting, wop. And what happens is that the price goes down every week, every 2 weeks. So what are the buyers seeing when they see your listing online? First of all, you start with a high asking price, and then you're on the market for a few weeks, and then you lower the asking price. And then what is the buyer doing? Well, what would you do? You would come in with a low ball offer because you think there is a problem to the piece of property. That's why the price is dropping down. So what happens after? Other people are making many low ball offers, and then you have a problem because you are now on the market for a couple of weeks, even months, and you only get offers which are far below the initial asking price. So that's the biggest mistake you can do, and that's how you avoid these mistakes, because at the end of the day, you lose a lot of time and money if you have the wrong asking price when you enter the real estate market. So first of all, when you speak to an agent, ask the agent, how much is the property worth as seen from the buyer's side, because what is my competition? When I would sell my own property, I think I'm living in a castle, but actually I'm not. I'm living in a normal house. But for me, it's my little castle. And I would reckon it's the same for you if you own a home, but a lot of buyers or potential buyers see your property completely different. So the agent is here to explain you what is the real competition to your property. That doesn't mean that the competition is next door or on your street. It means that the competition is something where you have similar quality of schools, similar access to maybe the city center, similar access to a lot of other amenities within the same budget. The next question the good agent should ask you, what is actually the interest rate? So interest has risen from less than 1% in Germany to now nearly 5%. So of course, properties have dropped in the market between 15 to 30%. So if you see any agent today in the year 2023 telling you that the price is the same like in 2021, you should run away and think and talk to another agent, because that's simply not possible. There are certain exceptions if you have a really luxury apartment in absolutely prime location, but again, that's the absolute exception. So 3 things you need to know. First of all, question the agent how he's actually figuring out the asking price, what's the real price, and what is your strategy to enter the market. That's the first question you should check. Second, what's the competition? What other apartments are there within my budget on the market who are solving the same problem like my property does? And third question, make sure what's the current interest rate? How much is the commission? How much is the tax? What other things I need to know, etc., etc. If you want to know about how to sell property professionally and avoid the mistakes before you enter the market, please feel free to contact us on our black label-properties.com.